Imagine a world where buildings and machines fix themselves. Self-healing materials are designed to restore themselves automatically. Some materials use microscopic capsules that burst when damaged, releasing healing agents. Others rely on molecular structures that rebond under heat, pressure, or electric signals. Right now, self-healing polymers are already being used in coatings, seals, and composites. Your cell phone screen, a scratch on your car, a tear in your shirt, the concrete of a building, all of these could repair themselves. But there is much more beyond these mundane tasks. Imagine airplane wings that could change their shape based on weather conditions, or car dents that could repair themselves. Synthetic self-healing muscles that would revolutionize medicine and the lives of disabled people. The real breakthrough comes when sensors and artificial intelligence monitor material health continuously. Damage is detected early and healing begins before failure occurs. This could transform maintenance in factories, power plants, and transportation systems, dramatically reducing downtime and risk. But this technology has limits. Extreme damage can still overwhelm healing systems, and costs remain high. By 2030, self-healing materials won't eliminate maintenance, but they will fundamentally change how often things fail. So that wraps up episode 6 of the See the Future series. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And remember, see the future, understand it, and use it. Don't get left behind.